difficulties on the job. It certainly will not be easy. But I want to bring in Kaushal Kant Mishra on two aspects. Kaushal Kant Mishra, of course, on one hand, you have Kapil Srivastava who says you tied up with the PDP government. Your track record there, of course, is a bit spotty, is his, of course, allegation. But there is also a larger fact which cannot be denied, that it is ultimately religious events, religious functions that are very clearly now on the target of these terror elements.
Madhav, in my opinion, this is because there is a little bit political patronization about these hardliners. That is the problem. If the political party coming out and speaking on the national media that they are criticizing the police, they are criticizing the agencies, they are criticizing the border security force. On the other hand, they are strongly standing with the stone pelters. We have seen in the Sambhal what the Samajwadi Party and other ND Gathbandhan did. They are always stand with those who are basically Reuters, but they are criticizing the police. We have seen Mr. Vikram Singh has already said that when he was the DGP, I think he was suspended because one terrorist died because of some loo event, but he was suspended because he was
okay. We have limited time. I want quick response from Kapil Srivastava. Kapil Srivastava, we have just a minute left. Kapil Srivastava, आपकी पार्टी ने पॉलिटिक्स के लिए अपीजमेंट की और उसके वजह से इस तरह की सिचुएशन और स्थिति आज देश में दिखाई दे रही है. जवाब दीजिए बीजेपी का.
बहुत सीधी सी बात है कि अगर अपीजमेंट पॉलिटिक्स हम कर रहे होते तो फिर सरकार इनकी कैसे बन रही होती. धर्म के नाम पे सरकार ये चला रहे हैं, विकास कार्यों को इन्होंने पीछे दबा करके रखा है. लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की सिचुएशन को अगर आप सोचिए कि 4-5 प्रांतों द्वारा मिल करके किया जा रहा है, कोऑर्डिनेशन अच्छा, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि पंजाब में तो इनकी सरकार नहीं है. बावजूद इसके अगर कोऑर्डिनेशन अच्छा तो हमें अपनी एजेंसीज को सैल्यूट करना पड़ेगा कि उन्होंने अपने दम पर ये स्थितियां पैदा की हुई हैं. वरना हमें तो नहीं लगता कि सरकार ने किसी तरीके की इनको सुविधा अलग से दे रखी है. अगर दे रखी हो तो बताइए, और अगर दे रखी है तो रशिया की चीजें यहाँ कैसे आ जा रही है, चीन के गन से एहतियात. यही मोदी जी थे जब इन्होंने पूछा था कि आरडीएक्स कश्मीर में कैसे चला आता है, तो अब इनको बताना चाहिए कि ये गन्स कहाँ से चली आ रही है. आखिर मोदी जी के ही प्रश्न को तो हमने आपको दोहराया है.
All right, and we will also say that terror should be above politics after all these debates. We'll have to leave it there. Unfortunately, that's everything is fair game when it comes to politics. But let's remember that when it comes to terror, they know no ideology, they know no political party, they know religion, no caste, no race. Ultimately, terror and terrorists target humanity, and that's something that all political parties would do well to remember. Thanks so much for joining us this evening, Kaushal Kant Mishra, Dr. Vikram Singh, Arvind Kumar Jain, as well as Kapil Srivastava.